Good day, friends. We have a nice weather today. I will be changing the engine oil and oil filter of this Holden Commodore 2006. Undo the drain plug or sump plug. Yeah. While we are waiting for the engine oil to be drained, we will remove the oil filter. So first thing, we need to remove this cover here. So this is the oil filter here. We will remove it. Yeah. So this is the new oil filter. This is the cartridge. Put it inside the housing. Press it in like that. Then don't forget to put the new O-ring to the housing of the oil filter. Okay, that's enough lube to smoothly put in back the housing of the oil filter with the new O-ring. And tight it to specified torque, 25 Newton meter. Yep, that's 25 Newton meter. So after the oil drained, put back the sump plug. And then set aside the drain pump and then torque the sump plug to a specified torque, which is 25 Newton meter. We will pour engine oil, remove the pillar cap and put a panel. First, we will put 5 liters engine oil. This is a fully synthetic engine oil, 5W30 viscosity. Okay. And another liter for a total of 6 liters. Remove the panel and put back the pillar cup. And we will be starting the engine to see if there's any leakage from the sump plug and from the oil filter. No leak. Checking the oil filter too for any leaks. All okay. And we will putting back the cover. Jack up the vehicle and remove the car stands. And lower the vehicle. Measure the engine oil level using the dipstick. So wipe it clean. Yep, we need to top up a little bit more engine oil. So remove the pillar cup. We will top up a little bit more, probably 0.5 liters of engine oil. Yep, all good. Measure again using the dipstick. Wipe clean the dipstick, dry it up, and then measure. So it's in half full. Let's add up a little bit more. So measure again the engine oil level. So it's perfect. It's over here. Total of 7 liters. Put back the pillar cup. Yep. Remove the guard covers. And close the bonnet. We're all done, friends. Thanks for watching.